తీసుకున్నాను నేను స్క్వేర్ ప్రాబ్లం చెప్పేస్తాను. లుక్ హియర్. లేకపోతే హెక్సాగన్ కూడా చెప్తాను. ఏముంది, టైం ఉందిగా ఇప్పుడు. స్క్వేర్ ప్రాబ్లం. లుక్ హియర్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద స్క్వేర్ నానా. హియర్ ఇన్ ద స్క్వేర్ carries a current I. What is the side length? L. In the square at center to determine the magnetic field induction. Here none. In the point to determine magnetic field induction, the perpendicular distance is called R. Here I take this wire nana. Look here. This angle is alpha. This angle is beta. In the shortest wire, finite length of the wire, B की formula mu naught I by 4 pi r into sin alpha plus sin beta. Look here. Here mu naught I by, look here nana, 4 pi r into sin alpha plus sin beta. In the situation, this is alpha. In the situation, this is beta. Here nana, B equal to mu naught I by 4 pi r into sin alpha plus sin beta. ఇప్పుడు ఇదేంటన్నా 90 స్క్వేర్ కదా, దీనికి 90, మిడిల్ అంటే ఎంత అవుతుంది 45. ట్రయాంగిల్ టోటల్ యాంగిల్ 180, 90, 45. ఆటోమేటికల్లీ ఆల్ఫా వాల్యూ 45, బీటా వాల్యూ 45. సైన్ 45 1/√2, సైన్ 45 1/√2, 1/√2 plus 1/√2, 2/√2. Okay, here this is only one side nana, one side here √2 nana, but in the square contain 4 sides nana. B net equal to 4b. Simply this is multiplied by 4 mu naught I by 4 pi r into nana, look here nana, into here 4 into √2, simply 4√2. But here r is the distance, where to where, point P to y. This length is, side length enta L. R value ఇప్పుడు ఎంత అవుతుంది, L/2. Here write R value, write as L/2. 2 into 4 8. ఈ తొక్కలో కూడా మనకు అవసరమా? డైరెక్ట్గా నెట్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ at the center of the square is mu naught I by 4 pi L into 8√2. అదే ట్రయాంగిల్ అయితే B net equal to mu naught I by 4 pi L into ఇప్పుడే వచ్చింది 18. ఓకేనా? ఇది ఎప్పుడు ఈక్విలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్, నెట్ ఫీల్డ్ ఎట్ సెంట్రాయిడ్. ఇది స్క్వేర్, ఇన్ ద స్క్వేర్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఎట్ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ ద స్క్వేర్. లుక్ హియర్, రైట్ డౌన్. నెక్స్ట్ నానా I discuss hexagon. Hexagon means 6 sides are there nana. Look here, this is the hexagon. Hexagon carries a current. According to Airstead theory, current carrying wire to produce the magnetic field. The question is, at the center of the hexagon, to determine the net magnetic field. Okay, first I take one wire. Look here. According to this point, first both are joined. Perpendicular distances are this angle alpha, this angle beta. In the hexagon, equilateral triangle is formed. Equilateral triangle means this angle 60, this angle 60, total angle 60. Simply alpha plus beta 60 means alpha value 30, beta value 30. In the hexagon which will be formed, equilateral triangle is formed. Here in the equilateral triangle, look the board nana. This is here. This is R. Here, what is the total y distance? Road 3L by 2. R value, road 3L by 2. Here, side length is L. Automatically, the distance here, the distance is road 3L by 2. Okay? What is the finite length wire? Magnetic field formula. Mu naught I by 4 pi r into, look here, sine alpha plus sine beta. Okay? Look here now. B equal to mu naught I by 4 pi. What is the r value? Root 3L by 2. Here alpha value 30, sin 30, beta value 30, sin 30. Sin 30 mathematics 1 by 2, sin 30 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1. Neatly write as B equal to mu naught I by, look here, 4 pi L into 2 by root 3. This is only one side of the hexagon. Hexagon have how many sides are there? 6 sides. Simply 6b. Simply 6 into mu naught I by 4 pi L into 2 by root 3. In the situation, 6 write as 3 into 2, 3 into 2. Here root 3 cancel. Simply it will be finally we get mu naught I by 4 pi L. Here 3 into 2, simply 4 root 3. This is the hexagon at the center, the magnetic field induction formula. Magnetic field induction at the center of the hexagon formula is mu naught I by 4 pi L into 4 root 3. 4 root 3. అదే స్క్వేర్లో ఏమొచ్చిందో గుర్తుందా మీకు? mu naught I by 4 pi L into 8 root 2. ఇది స్క్వేర్ సెంటర్. అదే మన ఈక్విలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ అయితే mu naught I by 4 pi L into 18. Here L is side length of the rectangular, side length of the square, side length of the triangle, ORR side length of the hexagon. This is the current wire, Nana. Look here. Carries a current I. Important concept, Nana. Very important concept. This is the current wire. Carries a current I. Here, this is the magnetic pole. Magnetic pole. Magnetic dipole. ORR needle. Magnetic needle, Nana. Magnetic needle. This magnetic needle is placed because of current carrying wire to produce the magnetic field. Because of magnetic field, this needle moves around the wire. Once again I repeat, this is the current wire. Here needle is placed. Because of current carrying wire to produce the magnetic field. Because of magnetic field, magnetic needle moves around the wire. The question is work done. Once again I repeat, work done. To move the needle, we know that work basic formula. What is the work basic formula? F into S. Simply force into displacement. Nana, in the next chapter, not in this chapter, Nana, B ki formula F by M. Here F indicate force, M indicate pole strength of the needle. Pole strength, Nana, not mass. Pole strength. This can be explained in the next chapter. Here F write as M into B into S. Here M, okay Nana. Here magnetic field due to long wire. Today morning I explained magnetic field due to long wire formula is mu naught I by 2 pi r. Once again, what is the formula for B? Mu naught I by 2 pi r into S. S means distance. Here magnetic needle moves along the circular path. For one revolution 2 pi r. For n revolution 2 pi r into n. Here n indicate number of revolution. 2 pi r cancel. Finally we get the formula for work done is mu naught M I N. Here this is the formula for work done to move the needle around the current carrying wire. Here mu naught is called permeability of free space. Its value always 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. Small m is called pole strength. I indicate current. N indicate number of revolutions of magnetic needle. Here N indicate number of revolutions of the magnetic needle. Here none, look here none. Here sometimes horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field can see in questions. Horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field can seen in the questions. This will be explained by the next chapter. Horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field. Simply, Earth acts as a huge magnet. Earth acts as a huge magnet. This magnet have two components. One is horizontal component, another one is vertical component. Vertical component not move the needle. Only horizontal component deflect the needle. So I always discuss BH. What is the direction of BH? BH direction always geographical south to geographical north. Once again I repeat. What is the direction of BH? What is the BH meaning? Horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field. In the next chapter, Earth is called as huge magnet. It have two components. One is horizontal component, another one is vertical component. vertical component not deflect the needle, horizontal component deflect the needle. What is the direction of BH? Geographical south to geographical north. Once again, what is the direction of BH? Geographical south to geographical north. Okay, very important notice nana to see the board. Here in the situation current is upward. Okay, in the situation current is upward according to right hand curl rule. This curling indicate the direction of magnetic field. Venkata Swami da tarvata dana. Here in the situation current flowing upward, okay, this right hand curling indicate the direction of magnetic field. Here patuko Venkata Swami, ఇది పట్టుకో. Here none, ఇంకో పెన్ కావాలి. All of you look here none, here none, వదిలేసేది. To see the situation, this is the magnetic field direction. Okay, here current in the upward direction. In the situation, Nana, this is the current wire. 1 minute. In the current wire, front side is east, back side is west. This is north. This is north. This is south. Okay? Very good. Penny okoncham istam. Thank you. Look here, Nana. Once again I repeat. This is current carrying wire. Front side emantaru east, back side west. This is south. This is north. Okay? Actually here current carrying conductor upward. In the situation, this thumb indicate the direction of current. This curling fingers indicate the direction of magnetic field due to current wire. Okay? In the situation here, look here. Patuko Venkata Sangar. Patuko first. This is the magnetic field now. Look here. This is the magnetic field. Okay? Giri patuko Venkata. This is the magnetic field due to current carrying wire. In the situation, BH direction, just before I discuss the direction of BH is north, east side enti south, east side enti north. Automatically, this is the direction of BH. Once again I repeat, east, west, south, north. What is the direction of BH? What is the direction of BH? BH means Earth's magnetic field. This is the direction of BH. BH means geographical south to geographical north. Here both are parallel, no null point chance. Here both are perpendicular, no null point chance. Here both are perpendicular, no null point chance. But here both are anti-parallel. Here null point is formed. That means current is upward, null point is formed west of the conductor, because here B and BH opposite direction. So here null point is formed. Ekkada null point form ayindi? West of the conductor. In the present situation, current flowing downward, for example, direction of magnetic field reverse. Okay, here, look here. Here, that means in this direction, look here. This is the magnetic field direction. BH always geographical south to geographical north. Current moving downward, here both are anti-parallel. That means on the east side null point is formed. Adenana, okay, current is upward, on the west side null point is formed. Okay? Thank you. I am carrying wire is moving upward, null point is formed on west side of the conductor. Current carrying wire is downward, null point is formed on east of the conductor. That is the main conclusion. In the chapter, null point means unna field balance and opposite direction. What is the direction of BH? BH direction always geographical south to geographical north.